Ciao ragazzi, welcome back to Vicopisano. Today we're gonna have a different type of video. Yeah, Marie?
It's going to be slightly different, yes. In fact, we've got a little bit of bad news, but we've also got a lot of good news. So the little bit of bad news is we weren't able to do our regular video this week. If you've been following us for a while, since April, that's when we had our first video, you'll know that we put out a video every 2 weeks. That's 2 a month.
Yeah.
And but we've been extremely busy, haven't we?
Yeah, very busy
Lorenzo?
with the tourists. We have a lot of accommodation to look after, as you know. Also, a big tower house to maintain all of that. We're gonna show you anyway. Very interesting. Our tower house, beautiful. And also, I'm working every day, so I'm gonna be finished at the end of the month. And it's gonna be different, much different. We're gonna have a good time together. Don't worry about that.
So we're just heading into the piazza now to do a little bit of shopping. And Lorenzo's right. We haven't been able to get this video done because of we're in the middle of our season. And but the good news is,
But soon we're gonna have a lot of good time together. Don't
yes.
worry.
So that's coming up
lot
soon
of
now.
fun.
Yeah, we're not going to tell them about that just yet.
No, not yet, not
So
yet.
we've got 2 lots of good news.
Yes.
Some we're going to tell you today, and some of it you're going to learn probably in a couple of weeks.
Yeah.
So we've told you the bad news. That's the bad news. We do not have a full-length video. This is more like a vloggy style, and it's just to come on and say to you guys, thank you so much for supporting us.
Yeah, thank you very much.
I can see Simone,
Yes,
our
yes,
fisherman.
yes.
Our
We're
fisherman.
going to get some fish now.
Look at this.
Yeah, but we're gonna get some fish. You, my friend. Come on. Buongiorno.
Buongiorno.
Buongiorno. Oh, wow.
Wow, from Livorno, guys.
Wow.
Unbelievable. Look at this. Mamma mia. Beautiful fish.
Beautiful.
Wow. Sembra vivo.
Very fresh.
Very fresh.
Sembra vivo.
Simone, che tipo pesce è quello?
Branzino.
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 And here's the dad. Family business. So as you can see, this is not like our usual video. It's not. Believe it or not, I do script out a lot of our videos, so it can take so much time, and I'm very aware of traffic around us. So today this is more like a proper vlog. So it might not be very long, but we'll see. So Lorenzo's buying. What are we buying, Lorenzo?
Triglia, oggi facciamo triglia alla livornese.
Okay.
My favorite dish. One of my favorite. I love it so much. Tomato sauce, battuto, cipolla, prezzemolo, carote. E poi prendi le triglie, le metti dentro il pomodoro e le lasci cucinare 1/4 d'ora al fuoco lento. Mwah!
Okay, so triglia, which is actually, I think it's mullet. It's like a red mullet,
yeah.
but they're very small. They're not like the big red mullets I've seen in other parts of the world. They're very small. He's cooking them in the Livorno style. So very simple. So it's just like chopped tomatoes, some garlic, some onion, all fried up in a pan, and then you add the red mullet afterwards. So when we come to Simone behind me, he always suggests how to cook things. He can clean the fish for you. If you happen to be staying here in Vicopisano on a Thursday morning, you can always come see Simone and he will prepare something for you, which is great. Okay, so this is triglia. Io penso
Come si dice baffo?
Mustache.
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 Triglia mustache.
Okay. Oh dear. So look, he's cleaning them all up for us, and which is good. So it's easy for us to take home. So we will. Oh, what's in there? Oh,
They're alive, look.
Vongole, see?
Sono vive queste qua.
Wow.
Vive, live.
Live.
Oh dear.
Pisciavano acqua.
Mm.
Incredibile. Mamma mia. Bought the fish, and now we're gonna have a drink at the social club. We're gonna pick up later after the drink at the social club.
It's a really lovely place where we've come. We call it the social club. It's actually called Ortaccio. Locally. So many of our guests come here for a drink as well. So you can come for coffee in the morning, but you can also come in the evening for an aperitivo. They do lots of events here. We have filmed here before, actually, on many occasions. What's so beautiful here in the summer is we've got all this shade from the linden trees, which are just wonderful. And in June, if you ever hear in June, they're full of blossoms, aren't they? And they just perfume.
Beautiful.
They're absolutely lovely. I'll show you them, actually.
In the shadow, shadow, we are far from the shadow now.
Coffee over. We're now heading back into the village to do a little bit more shopping before we head back home again. So that's it. We're back from shopping and Lorenzo's just rushed off into the garden because he wants to do a little bit of garden maintenance, and it's very, very hot. So he has to work very, very quickly. And I've got to get on and start editing this little video. Shouldn't be quite as complicated, this one. So we hope you've enjoyed it. But we've still got some additional news to tell you, which is very important. So stay tuned. Especially if you remember back in June, we filmed the dinner in the street. Well, the good news is that the dates are now confirmed for 2026. And this time we're turning the Cena nel Borgo into a truly immersive experience designed to make you feel like a local resident living right here in our Tuscan town. Imagine a farm-to-table adventure, visiting a local olive farm, enjoying private wine tastings, cooking traditional dishes and shopping at the village market. And of course, your seat at the candlelit dinner under the stars. Back in June, we opened a waitlist, and many of you signed up to be the first to hear all the details. Those will be landing in your inbox very soon. We've been working behind the scenes to make this something truly special. And if you're not on the list yet, it's not too late. Just click the link in the description to add your name and join us. So that's all our news for this week. We hope you've enjoyed this style of video. Please let us know in the comments below. We are halfway through the intended video for this week, so who knows, we might even have it ready for you next week. So I suggest you put on the notifications so you don't miss anything. So that's ciao for now from us, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video. Ciao!